Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this amazing deep treatment for thicker, longer hair using hibiscus powder. Firstly, you're going to get a bowl, then we're going to get our hibiscus powder. I'm actually using organic hibiscus powder. So before I put that powder into the bowl, I'll just be sharing with you some of the benefits of using hibiscus. So hibiscus nourishes the hair follicles, which helps to stimulate hair growth. It can also serve as a mild scalp scrub because it has antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce itchiness and dandruff. So if you're battling with itchiness or dandruff, this is a great remedy, and it also strengthens and moisturizes the hair. So these are the benefits. So I've already put the hibiscus powder into the bowl. I'm going to add another bowl of hibiscus powder into the larger bowl because of my hair is a bit thick, so that's why I'm adding two bowls or cups, I don't know what to call it, of hibiscus powder, but you can decide to just use one depending on how long or thick your hair is. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So next, you're going to add any of your favorite regular conditioner that has a great slip. Here I'm using the Tresemme conditioner for dry frizzy hair. You don't necessarily have to use what I'm using, but this is what I'm going to be using in the video. I love this conditioner because it conditions, softens and moisturizes my hair even before I apply a deep conditioner. I'm going to add a reasonable amount that is enough for the hibiscus powder. I did not measure it, I was just adding enough just for the powder. So next, you're going to add some coconut oil. You can add olive oil too. I actually initially prefer using olive oil, but because of now I don't have olive oil available, so if you don't have olive oil, you can just use coconut oil. So next, we're going to add sweet almond oil. You're going to be adding almond oil into the mixture. Necessarily, you can add any type of oil you want. You can add coconut, olive oil, you can add almond oil, you can add avocado oil, but these are the oils that I'm going to be using and I prefer using in this video. So I'm just going to add few pumps. I think I added like 10 pumps into this mixture. Yeah, I added like 10 pumps, so just few pumps into the mixture. And then we're going to add some peppermint oil. Yes, my hair has been itching a little bit and my scalp has been really irritated, so I decided to add peppermint oil. So throughout the week, if your scalp is like itching or you're having scalp issues, peppermint oil is a great oil that you can use. So I'm just going to be adding few drops of peppermint oil, just few drops, you don't need too much. And lastly, we're using aloe vera juice. I would have said use aloe vera plant preferably, but right now my aloe vera plant hasn't fully grown, so that's why I couldn't use aloe vera plant. But for this mixture, it is aloe vera plant that I am going to use, not aloe vera juice. But you can still use aloe vera juice, but I prefer using aloe vera plant, so you can use any of them, any one that you want to use. So now I am pouring some of the aloe vera juice into the mixture. One thing that you should keep in mind when adding this aloe vera juice is that make sure it's warm or a bit hot. Make sure it's not cold, like chilled cold. Make sure it is warm or a bit hot, so that all the mixtures added can mix properly, so that at the end of the day you might not be seeing chunks of the mixture together and it's not going to be smooth at the end of the day if you don't use like a warm liquid, or if you're using water, anything you're using, if it's not warm, it's going to, at the end of the day, it's not going to give you that smooth paste. So that is one thing you need to keep in mind when using the aloe vera juice. So as you can see, that is already mixing well, and you're going to mix it properly. As you can see, the mixture is looking like chocolate, guys. Oh my god. So you just need to mix the mixture properly to give you that thick consistency. So this is how the mixture looks like. Gosh, it's looking like chocolate, but like I just feel like eating it, but please don't. And please, if you have children around, please don't mistakenly leave it somewhere or leave the mixture abandoned somewhere, because kids can, mistake it for something else. So please be careful with this, because it actually kind of looks like chocolate. That's if you're using organic hibiscus, it kind of looks like chocolate. So please be extra careful if you have kids around, so that they don't tend to, mistake it for something else, and something bad happens. So that's it. So as you can see how the concealer is looking, how it looks thick and nice. So now time to show you how I apply the mixture on my hair. So now my hair is freshly washed. Make sure you apply the deep treatment after washing your hair with a shampoo. So now I'm going to take out that section of my hair, and I'm going to be applying the treatment to my hair. So here is the mixture, the treatment. So as you can see, when you're applying the treatment, make sure that you apply it from the ends to the roots. Make sure you apply it also ends to the roots. Very, very important. And you massage the deep conditioning treatment well. Massage it well to your hair, and also you finger detangle at the same time. So that's how it is. So you can see how my hair looks after applying the treatment. You can see how it's easy for me to run my hands through. So I'm just going to put the hair back in twist, and then I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other section of my hair. So that's just pretty much what you need to do. So guys, I had to go and get a towel, because it is messy. Like, it is messy. Anything you are dealing with Ayurvedic herbs or powders, or they're quite messy. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. Please use a towel. I actually forgot when I was recording, so I had to rush and go and get a towel. So please use one, so that you don't get to stain your top or whatever you're wearing, and I don't want to stain my top, so that's why. So please use a towel. Oops. Oh, it almost touched my face and lips. I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't touch my face, because I don't want to be looking like a juju calabar. So guys, this is how my hair looks like after applying the deep treatment mask. So I'm going to be what I'm going to do after this video, I'm going to apply my processing cap, and I'm going to leave it on my hair for an hour. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And guys, look at how my curls are popping. You can see how it looks good. You know, it's really looking good. I'm loving the color on my hair. I think I can dye my hair this color. I'm actually loving the color. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to see more hair style videos and DIYs. See you guys next time. Bye.